Alright, Barrel of Monkeys featuring Brandon.
It's pretty simple.
Hit the button when the hands...
When their hands line up, hit the button.
Is it just a timing thing? Oh yeah, it's highlighted. I get it.
Yeah, it's just rigging. Here's where rigs it.
Oh, you were there. I think you were there.
We'll view the footage later.
Yeah. Those of you at home, go ahead and download this footage.
Try again.
Yeah, it zooms out too, which makes it much harder.
Yeah, like this song, I'm pretty sure I can hit it anytime.
Yeah, he's grabbing it pretty.
Not even close.
Try to get a rhythm. Oh, you were on time
Yeah. It's just, you're rigging me.
for 6 tickets. Yeah, you're robbing me. What's it?
Try again.
Let's go. Yeah,
It's got a low fail.
yeah.
I mean, I think I'm on time.
Well, the degree you can miss by must tighten up. You were there. Come on, I was there. Let me try it. Let me try
To
it.
only get 250.
I feel like most of those taps are on time.
Only get 20 seconds. 2 seconds.
Oh, early. I was
I
early.
like you're coming on that swing.
Yeah, I felt like there was more time to line it up. Is there a timer too? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 20 seconds.
For each grab? Or total?
I'm not sure actually. I'll check it how long. Oh yeah, each one. You can really take your time. Got it.
Oh, I was way early. That was on me.
You get 20 seconds per monkey.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nice. You got 10.
10 bananas. All right, Heather, go on. You don't have hand. Just try it. It's fun. It's a kid's game.
You always say that and then you get the
Yeah.
jackpot.
And she's like, oh, what does that mean?
I don't think I was anywhere near it.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, when he lights up.
There you go. Oh, that was close. That was close. You want to try the backswing method?
Alright.
See if we can at least give the people a tip. I feel like it helps you get a rhythm, you know, like,
Well, we could take a lot more time. 20 seconds.
yeah. I do think the variance decreases. The amount you're allowed to miss by.
Yeah. I just don't have it, man.
Let me see if I can repeat it. All right, last try. And by the way, don't play this game. The payout is terrible.
Yeah.
Do not play this game unless you just want to play for fun.
Better off wandering the floor for
Yeah.
those tickets.
And that was that. I shone brightly, twice as brightly for twice as bright for half as long. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, we've got all sorts of other kinds of videos from how claws work with our Claw Science series, out in the public playing fixed strength machines with fixed strength grabs, as well as us rocking some payout machines like Keymaster. We love to hate them, but we still play them for you. If you're new to the channel, take a second to crush that subscribe button now so you get notified the very second we upload new Claw videos. Thanks again. We'll talk to you again real soon.